You were cold as the blood through your bones, and the light which led us from our chosen homes. Well, I was lost, and now I sleep the hours that I can't weep, and all I knew was steeped in black